to prepare this vegetable, and I am here in my kitchen just sitting to show you how to prepare the vegetable. Yes, when I came to Europe, I discovered that they stand and do jobs in the kitchen, but growing up as an African girl, we always sit. You always have a chair that you can sit and prepare vegetables. You know, you just get up only when you have to. You always make sure that you don't overuse your knee. So I will show you on camera how I do. So if you see like this step, this one is just the stems that I harvested, but you see you get just the tip. Most of the time we don't like I don't like slicing my vegetable before cooking, because when you slice it, then you are exposing the stem in such a way that when you want to boil, you know, normally you boil vegetable for 5 minutes before you can actually start cooking them, stir frying it. But because within that 5 minutes you can lose a lot of nutrient, so I will just, you see, you break it like this until see here now is hard. You remove all the stems. So this one is what I'll be throwing away at, but this one will be the one I cook. And this is how I'll cook it. I'll just wash it like this and cook without slicing it, so that I don't lose any nutrients. You see, I just pick it. You just finish cutting it from the stem onto where it feels hard, that it cannot break, and make sure you pick all the leaves. Pick all the leaves. So these are the stems that I actually reduce to put in my garden, so it will be like waste, but that waste normally I'll keep them away. So you start from the top. As it's getting soft, you go down onto where you see that it's getting strong, and so these ones are the one. So if you see here in this pot, yes, I have big pot because my family is very big. You will see the ones that we have already fixed. You see, this one don't have the hard stem. So this is what we will just wash and prepare. So I will make sure I sit here and I do all of them on camera, so that you can see it and you can begin to appreciate the African cuisine. When I talk about harvest and eating, same day. We are eating this vegetable today. I've just harvested. You people saw the video when I harvest, and now I will always be here to make sure I prepare it. So this is how it goes. So if you show the vegetable like this, I will show it again. This is the vegetable. You see, these are the seeds that were about to come out. You know, so I could have kept the vegetable like this, but I actually kept it right down here, so that we can have a new shoot that will come out right from the bottom and shoot up, and the circle of vegetable production continue. So you know this one is soft. You know, you start slicing it from, so it's now this one now is hard. So you know all this part you cannot, it will not be edible, because you don't want, you want your vegetable to be making crush in the mouth, and you don't want your vegetable that will be hard. So that's how we do it. So you just pick them like this. Pick the soft end and the stem. Pick the soft end and the stem. Pick the soft end. Make sure you remove these flowers, because in these flowers you have like these flowers like this. Some of them taste bitter. So always make sure you remove like this end, so that your vegetable will not be a bit bitter or have a different scent, so a different taste. So you cut it like this. When the stem begins to be hard, normally you will know it. You will be able to know that, oh, here is hard. So like this one, I know it's soft from this end. This is how I pick my vegetable. This is how I pick my vegetable. This is how I pick my vegetable. You see. So you pick them all out like this, one after the other. Please, I don't want to hear somebody say, oh, it takes time. It takes time. Yes, we need to use some energy, you know. Burn some energy, burn some fats. So you take the vegetable up like this, and one after the other, you take this one up, You see, the stems that are hard, you don't put them there. The stems that are actually hard, you don't put them there. The stems that are hard, you don't put them in. I'm on camera. So this is how you fix the vegetable. This is how you fix a vegetable. This is how you fix the vegetable. Hey, free sound. I'm on a live video. I'm showing them how to prepare vegetable. I'm doing a live video. I'm live on video. Showing people how to fix vegetables. So you see, these are the vegetables. You take them one after the other, and you cut all the soft stems. So these ones are the ones we'll throw away. We'll send them back to the garden. Suzy Farms. I'm on live camera. Yes, my children just came back from school. And they're surprising Mama on
Suzy Farms, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Suzy Farms, oh yeah. So those are my guys, my boys. They are actually coming to greet you people. So this is me fixing my vegetable. Oh, I love our culture, I love our tradition, I love our clothes. You know, in Africa, women wear wrapper. And this wrapper like this, even if you sit down or you bend, you are sure you are well covered. That's the purpose of the wrapper. You are well covered. And also, you also make sure that you tie your hair so that hair does not get food. That's why you see me, I can open my legs, I can do anyhow. I know I'm well covered, you know. So this is how it goes. Yes, it's vegetable time. You can really see how we do the vegetable. Accompany me, I'm live. This is how we fix vegetable. Say the one I've already fixed and say the one that I still have to go. So there we go. You see, you make sure you pick all the leaves like this and put it here. It is vegetable time, vegetable time. So I'm actually the queen of harvest and eat. I harvest, go to the kitchen and make sure I can prepare some food and eat. Can prepare some food and eat same day. So here am I in my kitchen. You can see that's my small kitchen behind me there. So I just prepare my vegetable in my kitchen. And it's prepare the vegetable and eat. Prepare the vegetable and eat. Yes, in the African cuisine we do sit down. Nowadays when I see people doing maybe a contest on cooking, and I see them cooking African dishes standing up the whole day, I begin to say no. Yes, we can cook African this thing standing up, but you need to follow our culture, the way our ancestors do it. You know, we sit and cook. We sit and cook. There was this guy in Nigeria last year who won the Guinness Book of Records. She cooked for, I don't know whether it's 30 something hours. It was a long time standing up to cook, but she cooked for all those hours standing. No. Please, if you want to go to any competition, it doesn't mean that we should do it as they do their own, you know. We should do it as we Africans will do. Add a bit of African culture there. It's not all about the food, but showing them our own way of cooking. If in your tribe you used to sleep to cook, sleep and cook. If you used to stand to cook, stand and cook. Because if I'm going in for any African contest, I will not stand and cook. I will sit and cook. Because it is part of my culture that when you are cooking, you sit. You stand up to put something in the pot and you sit. That's why in the kitchen in Africa, we always have a place we call kitchen chair. Kitchen chair is like a seat that is in the kitchen, and those who want to cook, they use it to sit and do things like what I'm doing here. So these are the type of things we should be doing. You see fresh vegetable from the garden directly to the kitchen, and this evening we'll prepare it and we'll eat this vegetable. It will not be live on camera because I like going live and not everybody can go live. So I will just eat. If you want me to go live and show you how I eat, then I will do. At their request at all time. At the request of my audience at all time. It is vegetable time. It is vegetable time. It is vegetable time. So please, 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 please,